so cute, me mad Sam. I change up my little spot for today. Righty. But anyways, guys, I don't know. My face start break out back again, but me I work on it. Cause you know. But anyways, guys, this time I try for I don't know how to say which me I go give them mash up. But anyways, let me do back over my intro and sing. Ooh. Anyways, what's poppin', guys? It's Garika and today Alright, what's poppin', guys? It's Garika and today I'm back with another video. So before we get into this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow for all of social media for friends, go down below in the description. When you don't miss this finger, yeah, me know it pop off. I'm gonna stick up everything because, well, these are press-ons by the way.
You pussy wall, yo.
Cool. These are press-ons and thing, and some of them, you know. I'm gonna take off this one because this nail is well long and the glue when we use it will affect this nail here. And I'm gonna stick it off. So, no, I look cute. I'm gonna make one snap and come back. So anyways, I'm come back now. So, fix her back. She won't come out, you know? But anyways, yeah, I'm come back now. So this video I probably gonna be 2 in a 1, right? Alright, so let me start off by saying thanks to everybody who wished me a congratulations on my graduation, right? That's the first thing. Anyways, alright, so right, and as me say, you can DM me on Instagram. Also, I'm doing shout out on my Instagram. My Instagram name go over here, so you can go over there and check out my Instagram and send me on a picture and on a caption on you want under the picture, and I'll post it on my story and my page for 2 days, right? Cause me I try to help everybody grow as well. For the YouTube thing, you can DM me separately, and the first 5 persons that reach out to me on my Instagram, we go know and shout out on my YouTube channel. If you wanna have a YouTube channel or whatever, I'll give you all a shout out. If you don't have Instagram, then I'll do it here as well, right? I'm doing a little give back. Probably I'll be doing this for a week. So if I post this video in this week, and yeah, it depends on how much time I post for the week, yeah, y'all get a shout out, right? And here. So yeah, I don't know how that go. You see me? So I got this package. Yeah, out of my school, them never did give me this. I done with them, so I feel away. Them never did give me none of them a package here. I got this out of my anyways, I get this out of my workplace and thing. So I'm just say, you know, I'm gonna go easy. But first, let me start off with this first. I got this. You know, come back here. I got this from a thingy. I don't remember what's this called, honestly. Tumbler. Yeah, I got this, and it says, I don't know this. Alright, you know. So me get this. So me 30,000. Me get this. Right? I got this, and it has my school. Me used to school, right? Logo on it and thing. So you know all the part they go. When you go see me with a buckle a whole heap, really and truly, because me always want one white one. Normally I have about 2 of these. no, like 3 of them. I have the tall one, a tall pink one, which was chip up, and I have 2 smaller ones. Yeah, I don't know what I mean, right? So this, then could just give me normal. They have put this. Anyways, it's a graduation package, so I do understand. My workplace AC out there, burn up my lip, you know? Burn up my lip, me say. And they are so black. Me use, see? Me use something there on it though. Ooh. Yeah. Me use something on it though. Vaseline. But anyways, now here is this part. See my picture? I got 2 of these. My mom has one now, but me get 2 of them. I don't ask me how, but me just lucky and me get 2. Yeah, me get 2. So I got this. This is me. This is me. My fake smile. Me can't smile if you see my life, literally. The best pictures of me, my friend them know this. The best pictures of me are when me actually in a good mood. Not saying that when me I go out or whatever, me in a good mood, but me have to smile, like they have to catch me, they have to give me a joke or something, and me smile and then the bright smile just come up. Yeah, for real talk. And like when we start off with the pictures, let me just finish up with the pictures then, which me kinda alright. So as me say, I don't watch my finger, I'm still rocking it. Anyways, this is me and my partner that I march with, Mario. I wanna see him whole heap on my YouTube channel, literally. I'm gonna go turn it anytime I done this. Me just flip it and then show them so they can see it better. And this is me not think I want to show Mr. William's face, but this is me and my OA teacher. And then give me the smaller picture for the bigger one. This one. So this is it. Thumbnail. Hold on. Me still I wonder if me supposed to just put like half and half in everything that I do. Like for like how me I do this, me feel as if I'm supposed to put like part of the, cause the video is long, literally. It's a 1 hour and add video. I mean no uno been there wait pan here when you see it and go they say in graduation I gone already, blah blah blah. And me already post my graduation stuff. So me literally actually have to pencil out what me I go do now while making this video. I'm gonna think I go cut out nothing. So alright, I'm gonna be posting probably I go off the part 1, 2 and 3 in it, because as me say I want 1 hour and add video. I'm gonna be posting the screenshot of the video when me they try to edit for the longest while, like literally. So I'm probably just post this in it and then maybe use the other video in my other videos or whatever. Then yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And this is, anyways, this is my reports. Yeah, obviously I'm not gonna show that because what, it's not bad, but I mean, you know, I need to show my grades for internet. Me not that show off, you know. Yeah, this I did what come for my uniform, my gown. I mean, you know, I'm planning on keeping this because, you know, well, heap of people not get a chance when me get. So, and I'm a type of person, me love store things. So I don't know if they give me one perfume set, me not gonna ever bust that. I don't know if I'm me alone stay so. But yeah. And this is the yearbook. This is the yearbook with whole heap of things in it basically. I must say I can have I can find myself. But me did look me did look black in it. Look, let me show you. This is me right here, guys. Me did look like a nerd, me did look black. I mean, I don't know what did I go on. But this is me and my lovely classmates. I'm gonna miss y'all. In a some farmer. Yeah. But like how me already flip the camera, let me just show y'all this. Alright, so this was the picture that I was showing y'all. And as me say, I'm not gonna show Mr. William's face, but I don't know. Yeah, that. And this and this, you know. Yeah. Hold on, may I try to fix back them here so I don't lose them. Wanna hear that baby mouth? They don't. I don't think it'll go far. I can't bother if it go right. No, what me go feet, cause I'm a me picture them just drop. I don't know why this thing won't play with me, dog. Like, and my pictures fell. Me I post that video here right now, literally. I know this I go long, so me I go hurry up and speed up this now because yeah. Every minute this. I drop. Alright, so that. And then now this is my graduation certificate thingy. And me get small pictures in this. I'm not me package this. So when I see them, I'll be like, oh, she get this in that. And no, I was the one who put them in this bag. I may cut them and everything because me I try to speed up this video. And I got a bracelet. Hold on. I got let me flip it. Bracelet with my name on it. Hold on. So, yep. My name on it and everything. So I wanna know the root of the grass. I'm gonna be editing one of my videos now and sing so you can get it. So this is my graduation leaving stuff them. I wanna know the root of the group. Or wanna me picture them drop again. But yeah, this I'm gonna edit now and stuff, and yeah, y'all know, guys, don't just stay tuned. This video I'm gonna post, it probably not gonna be all that long for the first one because of the app that I'm using. So if you don't know no other app I can use where it can be a large video, then you can hit me up and let me know. But I'm gonna be starting this video now, so just get right into it, and you can go watch my graduation vlog. I've just done the unboxing, which you just watch now. So now it's going to lead straight into the graduation now. Peace.
Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Your heart is glowing, and I'm crashing into you. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Before they turn the lights out. Baby, love me lights out. In the dark it's not no.
And you got Brianna, and you got Michaela, and you got Natalia, and there is Rhino. And you got Mario, and you got Jeannie with her drama Mario, and down there so you got Baby Giant. And right here you got Come On, and you got Anto, and over there you got Sleeping Jack, and you got Mario there, and plus I make be nice and
Right now them up there. Oh, now the golden, oh the golden, oh the golden, oh the golden. Right. Jack and protect me anyway. I will never.
we come and do this. Come on,
Show me what the I always learn to keep my You send her a line?
Just walk all over it, please. Because I'm hit off your football. Because I'm hit off your football.
You can take chang like a Jamaica, yeah, take one. Sure.
You all that work alone.
We gonna know what things. So guys, I'm there in my classroom, I go normal and everything. And yeah guys, we don't know everything says. Julian,
Girls, run out. No.
Hey, somebody come up. Come in. Me a panic. Me a panic. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. No, me never see me. No. Come in and never come in this time. Come on. No, I collect it so often. Me can't collect it. Yeah. Give me a spin. A spin. See, Vanessa. Leave it now.
No.
Come in, guys. Come in. Watch it. Boop. And let me move. That's how I want X and curvy and see a fish. Hello. Kariba. Don't come in. Kariba, where must you?
Money. Sorry for that. Drop asleep. You don't know.
Philip, one time. Move. Come on, Alex. One time. Just lick off Philip. One time for your girls them. Come now, Alex. For the girls, them. Girls, them. Girls, them.
Terrible mistake.
Ah, me see, man. I'll watch you foot them. I wish I knew you. You sing it for me, I go put it.
That's very phone, mate.
I wish I knew. I wish I knew what it means.
Mr. Cook, you take on myself and say me I go and get it. But you just left class.
I gotta do the ear. I have to try and finish.
So just use the edge.
Because my ear almost done. I'm here running late, but yeah, whatever. Reach back home and everything, me wait for the driver to come pick me up. So, I can go. Me run late. I am running so late. Me not gonna take off this yet because I don't want to breeze and everything, even though I go under AC. But when me almost reach or whatever, then we take it off and thing. But, yep. And everything, I'm in uniform and yeah. Camera fica aqui,
Back to the shop. It doesn't rush it, Take a over. Yeah, shut it.
Me give one comb.
Come where? Next one.
Me can't find the comb and me come here with it.
That means go take your class like that.
Because me like the class to me.
I am cheating.
Oh, hi guys.
Oh, sorry.
Me no shut it up.
Hi guys.
Me no come here with one comb. One, by in between something like yeah, in between something. Like the brush and the remove when I went to her house and see what I was. Yeah, but me not know where they know.
Yeah, mommy.
Alright, so me reach, guys. I'm have me going. Watch out on the door, me collect me something.
The pin the right there for go in. Line.
Very not easy.
Bombata who come in a limo?